How to set the notification banner style to temporary or persistent on the iPhone 16 series. First, let's return back to the home screen by swiping up at the bottom of the screen. And from the home screen, tap on Settings. Now in the Settings page, we scroll down and tap on Notifications. After that, scroll down to Notification Style, then tap on an app. Then we go down and tap on banner style. Now, if you do not see banner style, make sure you select banners at the top here, and then banner style will appear. After that, tap on it, and then from the list, you could choose between temporary or persistent banner style. And so select one of the options, then tap on the back key to go back to your previous settings page, or swipe up to return back to the home screen. Thank you for watching this video. Please like and subscribe to my channel for more videos.